Hi dear friend, how are you? This is Jack from China Henan Vibrating Equipment Company Limited. Today, I take this opportunity to make a presentation of our machine for sand and aggregate screening composite frequency screen error. This is the machine in the workshop. Hope you can get a rough impression. My presentation has 6 parts: company overview, research and development background of the machine, the structure of the machine advantages, a comparison between our machine and the traditional screen, and the project cases. First, for the company overview. Our company, Henan has a history of over 60 years. We have a plant area of over 110,000 square meters, with construction area 63,000 square meters. We have over 800 employees and 380 processing equipment. We produce 8,300 sets of machines per year. The sales revenue exceeds $72 million per year. For the development history of our company, we are established in 1952. In 1984 and in 1994, we experienced transformation and shareholding reform. In 2000, we registered the current name Henan Vibrating Equipment Company Limited. Today, after over 60 years development, Winner has grown into a leading screening and sorting company in China, with products exported to many countries and regions. The business scope of our company has industry upgrading, infrastructure and people's livelihood, and recycling economy. This is a workshop picture of our plant. We have laser cutting machine, welding robot, shooting blast machine, etc. This ensures we can deliver qualified products to the end user in a timely fashion. Next, about the research and development background. The machine is developed based on 2 reasons. The first is to deal with particle separation with multi-levels. As for the sand and aggregate industry, it is different from other industry like coal industry. In this sand and aggregate industry, different levels is required to achieve different purpose. Second is to deal with environmental pollution problems. The traditional screen is a circular motion screen. It has a problem of serious environmental pollution. The application of our composite frequency screen error is used in building materials, fine aggregate of sand and gravel, dry mortar mixing station, asphalt mixing station, concrete mixing station, etc. Next, about the structure. This is the machine look like. The structure of the machine has outer box, screen body, exciter, fitting box, motor, and connections, etc. About the screen body, It uses a multi-layer screen deck arrangement. It can separate the aggregate into multiple particle size levels. Secondly, it ensures the reasonable and compact structure of the screen body. This is caused by a unique design of the arrangement of screen panel. Let us see what the screen panel look like. The screen panel uses the elasticity of the spring to tension the screen panel along the direction of the material flow through the front and rear hook plates. The screen panel can be replaced more conveniently. As you can see, this is a unique design, different from the traditional screen. Then for the outbox rule, first it is prevent dust leak from the inside. Secondly, it supports the screen core. For the exciter, this exciter is our company's patented product. It is installed on the side plate of the screen body and makes linear motion. It has advantages of small size, excellent performance, low noise, long life, and convenient maintenance. It has 2 ways of feeding. As for the feeding method, the first is single feed inlet. This is the conventional feeding method. The material will be separated layer by layer from top to bottom. This picture shows how the material is separated. This is a 4-layer screen panel machine. Then it has a second feeding method, double feeding inlet. In this way, through the material distributor, the screen area is doubled and the output is doubled. And so one device can achieve the function of double machines. This picture shows how the material is fed and is separated by the machine. For the advantages of the machine, it has an enclosed structure, no dust leaking. It has low advantages of low noise, low cost, and environmental friendliness, large capacity, and accurate separation. It can achieve double feeding inlet to achieve double capacity. It has a differentiated screen angle. This is shown in the screen panel arrangement. The screen panel has 2 parts. They are an arc form, so it can achieve the best screening effectiveness. And lastly, the advantage is easy screen panel replacement. Now let us make a comparison between our machine and the traditional circular motion screen. For the circular motion screen, this has a model 2460, 2 layers. The space is 125 cubic meters by calculation. And for the similar type, our machine model is 2565. The space is only 94 cubic meters. And you save 25% of the space. And here we have aggregate production line with capacity 400 tons per hour. If you use a traditional screen, you use two screens. One is 1836 and another is 2460 for the size level. If you use the new screen, you need only one. It is enough. The model is 2565 with 4 screen layers. Let us make a comparison for the space. If you use the traditional screen, the space is 162 cubic meters combined, and for the new machine, the space is 81 cubic meters. And you can see the new machine saves space of up to 50%. It is a great benefit for the user. Lastly, let us take a look at the project cases. This machine has a remarkable market performance since it goes into market. There is a long list, and also the machine has been exported to India, Thailand, and other countries. This is a project case of Chenzhou Xinhui Stone Plant project. This is a 4-layer machine with model 2565. This machine uses the first feeding inlet, the single feeding inlet. And we have project of Shijiazhuang Jingxing project in Hebei province, Middle China. This is a 6-layer machine with model 2565. This machine uses the second feeding method, the double feeding inlet. And we have another project of Jining Maji Cement Plant project in Shandong province, East China. This is also a 6-layer machine, same with the previous project. We supply them with 2 sets, and the user all give a very good comment and feedback to us. Okay, this is my contact information, and we also have WeChat account and TikTok account. We welcome you to follow to get the latest news. We also welcome you to inquire us for the machine, and we will give more technical proposal or commercial quotations. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.